Hi there, I'd like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the mini Crosby Carryall in a Floral Rivets leather. As you can see here, the color is navy blue. If you're looking for something that is interesting and exciting, something that you can spot from far away, this is definitely it. It comes with the silver color hardware, as you can see here, and has a Coach logo on the front here, and the leather hand tag at the side. And as you could see here, it has a row of flowers. I'm gonna bring it forward, and holes and whatnot on the design here. And let's look at the side. So it's just only the front that has the design, but not anywhere else. And nice thing about this is it has the feet on the bottom. Let's take a look on this one here. On the inside here, it does come with the strap for crossbody wear right here. And on the inside is this one big major compartment with a linen lining, two slip pockets, and a zipper pocket on one side. So it's actually pretty big, as you can see here. Let's compare this to the size of the water bottle. Push this back a little bit. You could technically put about, I would say about 4 water bottles in there easily with no problem at all. The dimension of this bag is 13 3/4 inches in length. It's about 7 1/4 inches in height and about 5 1/2 inches in width. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.